Today we are going to discuss future trends in data analytics for 2025. Subscribe to our channel iSynchy Consulting. We are industry experts in data analytics, DBA and DevOps training. We also offer a wide range of certifications and consulting services. Connect with us today. Today we are going to discuss future trends in data analytics for 2025. As we look ahead, the landscape of data analytics is set to evolve dramatically, driven by advancements in technology and changing business needs. Here are the key trends that will shape the future of data analytics. Smarter and scalable artificial intelligence will rise significantly in 2025. Advanced AI systems will be capable of working with smaller datasets while providing faster insights. These innovations will automate manual tasks that analysts currently perform, allowing them to focus on strategic decision-making processes. With AI becoming more integrated into analytics workflows, organizations will benefit from enhanced predictive capabilities and improved operational efficiency. Agile and composed data analytics models will become essential for fostering innovation and growth within organizations. Companies will increasingly adopt flexible analytics solutions that promote collaboration across teams and departments. By seamlessly integrating multiple data sources, these agile models will enable businesses to respond quickly to market changes and evolving customer needs, ultimately driving better outcomes. The use of hybrid cloud solutions will continue to increase as businesses seek to balance cost effectiveness with data security. This approach allows organizations to leverage the benefits of both public and private clouds, enhancing scalability and performance, while ensuring that sensitive data remains protected. As companies navigate their cloud strategies, hybrid solutions will provide the flexibility needed to adapt to changing demands. Data Fabric technology will gain traction in 2025, providing a unified framework for managing data across diverse environments. This architecture simplifies data integration processes and enhances accessibility, allowing organizations to respond quickly to changing data needs. With a data fabric in place, businesses can ensure that their analytics efforts are efficient and effective. Edge computing is set to become a key trend as well, bringing data processing closer to its source. By analyzing data at the point of generation, organizations can reduce latency and improve security. This approach enables real-time insights that support quicker decision-making, which is critical in today's fast-paced business environment. Augmented analytics will transform how organizations analyze data by leveraging AI and machine learning to automate data preparation and insight generation. This democratization of analytics means that more employees, regardless of their technical expertise, will be empowered to derive insights from data. As a result, organizations can foster a culture of data-driven decision-making across all levels. The demand for real-time data streaming will surge as businesses seek immediate insights for informed decision-making. Streaming analytics allows organizations to analyze data as it is generated, enhancing agility and responsiveness. This capability is essential for companies looking to stay competitive in rapidly changing markets. We can also expect advancements in data visualization tools that incorporate AI-driven insights and interactive elements. These innovations will make it easier for users to explore complex data sets and uncover actionable insights without needing extensive technical backgrounds. Enhanced visualization techniques will help stakeholders understand data narratives more effectively. As organizations collect more data than ever before, the emphasis on robust data governance frameworks will increase significantly. Companies will prioritize compliance with regulations while ensuring data privacy and security through advanced technologies. A strong governance framework not only protects sensitive information but also builds trust with customers and stakeholders. Lastly, AI as a service (AIS) will enable businesses to implement cutting-edge AI technologies without significant upfront investments. This trend facilitates the adoption of AI-driven solutions across various industries, enhancing operational efficiency while lowering barriers to entry for smaller organizations looking to leverage advanced analytics capabilities. These trends represent just a glimpse into the future of data analytics in 2025. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, staying informed about these developments is crucial for professionals in the field who want to remain competitive and relevant. Subscribe to our channel, iSync Consulting, to stay updated with the latest industry data trends and daily learning opportunities. We are excited to announce new batches for data analytics, DBA, and DevOps are starting soon. Connect with us today to secure your spot. Until then, keep learning and master the data skills with iSync Consulting.